be. That button getting pressed there. Ew. That's what happens if you have old lunch from a bond thread. Andrew, that was crazy. Since yesterday. Meow. Keyboard. Andrew, what do you think of this cool keyboard?
Stroking it.
I'm really crazy right now. Look. Here, record that.
This is my side.
Don't want this keyboard playing slouch. Jack. And you know, funny.
It's gonna fall.
Andrew was right.
Are you okay?
Put the keyboard in the backpack. Keyboard. Keyboard destruction. Chocolate. Meow, meow, meow. Ew.
I've already had a bomb threat this week. Don't make it too evacuated.
Yeah, but still,
Frank.
So we get Thursday next week off, but then we go back to Friday.
It's his cat piano. You have a cat piano?
Ayo, play Beethoven.
No!
Wait, can I?
I'm turning it off.
Jaden.
Wait, can you?
No. I don't want to play.
Jaden.
Jaden, can I press the cat piano?
No! It's hidden right here.
Play Beethoven.
She's the quarantine.
Play his face.
Because she's not sick and it's just Friday, so my mom's like, you know what? I'm not gonna make you go to school for one day.
Find it on YouTube.
Oh no, we definitely are.
Maddie,
And I had to.
we went on a walk today, and Lexi decided to jump on me, and I wasn't expecting it, and she made me like cut my leg. And then my hands hurt.
Okay. She bludgeoned you up.
Why did you start going?
Like, and then she blamed it on me, saying that it's my fault I got jumped on.
Here we go.
And you asked me why I don't like it.
Oh yeah,
Maddie.
this is the first time.
I'm sorry.
Man, you gotta slam into the seat. Damn and slam.
She thinks I'm a snitch.
What?
Still not okay why she thinks I'm a snitch.
Yeah, you're the one that
I
got
don't know how much
snitched on.
percent I got left.
Yeah.
I was talking to Trevor last night, and he just sent me meow. You send people meows often?
That was a jump scare.
Don't kick me.
Meow.
Ready.
Why is it